Hello everyone, this is Shubham Chaudhary and I welcome you again in the 7th video of our YouTube channel. Today is 7th of January and we are discussing this LeetCode hard problem, arithmetic slices to subsequence. In this problem, they have given an array nums and we need to return the number of all the arithmetic subsequences of nums. Now what is the arithmetic subsequence? The arithmetic subsequence consists of at least 3 elements, and if the difference between any two consecutive elements is the same. So here the arithmetic subsequence between two consecutive elements is we need to make this same. Uh, so in the first array, the difference is 2 in every consecutive pairs. In the second array, the difference is 0 and the size should be greater than 3. In this array, the difference is -4. Here, the arithmetic sequence is not formed as the difference is not maintained. So, this is the array and this is the subsequence, which is the arithmetic subsequence of size 3. So, in the example given below, it is the array and we need to find every subsequence which is arithmetic subsequence. So there are 7 subsequences here. And if the array is of equal values, then the output should be as per the input. So the approach for solving this type of problem, it is a DP based problem, dynamic programming. So we will need to initialize variables. We will create a 2D vector dp to store counts of arithmetic subsequences ending with at each pair of indices. We will use an unordered map to store indices of each unique elements in the array and initializing a variable sum to keep track of the total count. Now we will build an index map, iterate through the array and populate the map with indices of each element. After that, we will do a dynamic programming iteration where for each pair of indices I and j in the array, we will calculate the potential third element a in the arithmetic subsequence. If a exists in the map, we will iterate over its indices and update the count of arithmetic subsequences in DP array, and we will update the total count of sum, and after that we will return the sum. So let's code for that. Before that, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also share this video to your friends. So we will create, first of all we will assign size n nums dot size. And after that we will create vector of vector dp array of size n and assign it 0 value. After that we will create a hash map, unordered map, which has a key long and value as vector of int. Then I iterate through this for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Create a temporary variable for storing nums I. And if we don't found that map.count of temp, if we don't found map.count, we will initialize map of temp as a vector, and after that we will assign map of temp. We will push back the value I. After that create a sum variable Now we will iterate through the DP array. For int I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. For int j equals to I plus 1. We will not calculate for the values, same values, j less than n, j plus plus. We will create a third variable a, which will be the difference nums of I minus nums of j. And if map.count means if we found a in the map, we will iterate in the value of that a key. So int k in map of a, that is a map of a will be the vector if k less than I, if k less than I, then dp of I and j, we will update this value as dp of k and dp of k and I plus 1, else we will break it. After that we will update the sum variable. We will add dpij value to the sum variable, and at last we will return sum. So in this code we have created a 2D array of size n cross n, an unordered map for storing the difference and the vector. Then after that we are populating this the map using this, and we are iterating through the DP array and updating the values using the two for loops here. So we will check the solution. Output should be 16. Some error. I think it must be a syntax error. So there was a mistake here. We need to add the previous value to dp of ij and dp of ki plus 1. Again run the code. Yeah, the test cases ran successfully. We will check for the hidden test cases. Yeah, the code ran successfully and time complexity and space complexity are good. Here the time complexity is big of n square as we are iterating through for loop inside the loop, and the space complexity will be the big of n square as we are using the dp array of size n cross n. So that's it. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Your feedback and engagement are crucial as we build this community. Stay tuned for upcoming LeetCode problem of the day videos and exciting month-stack web development projects. Happy coding, and let's make this year a fantastic one together. Thank you.